For any business organization, leads are potential inquiries related to your product or services. It is easy to get leads through various platforms, but the most challenging thing is to capture them and keep them engaged. For that, you need to provide a system for handling the sales process in your organization. In this video, we will show you how you can easily add leads to the workboard. With our easy-to-use interface, just log in and start finding new leads today. Here you go with the workboard of SalesTown. On the top left corner, click the Add Lead button. A detailed form will appear on your screen to fill out. You can manually fill the form step by step. Fill each column of the form as per the detail asked, like organization name, contact person name, a lead title which could be as per user's choice, lead value as A, value of the product, pipe stage, organization address, contact person email, his contact number along with his designation. After that, hit an Add Lead button which is at the bottom of the page. Wow, now your lead got added to the workboard with these simple steps. You can also add a lead directly by clicking the plus icon given on the workboard under any of the columns. You can also customize details of the form as per your necessities. For that you can check the detailed version of it in another video under the title name as how to customize lead form. This is how you will be able to add a new lead to your workboard. This was one of the ways to add leads on the workboard. We have different other methods as well. For that, keep watching our next video and make your sales process easy. For notification about our next video, press a subscribe button and hit a bell icon for many such informative videos on how to use SalesTown. Thank you and happy selling!